We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. You see me make my way through the crowd and say hello. Little did you know that I was Romeo and I was throwing pebbles, and your daddy said stay away from Juliet, and you were crying on the staircase begging me please don't go. And you said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you, and we keep quiet cause we're dead and they knew. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. Cause I was Romeo, you were a scarlet letter, and your daddy said stay away from Juliet, but you were everything to me and you were begging me please don't go. And you said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all there's left to do is run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Juliet, save me, they try to tell me how to feel, that this love is difficult, but it is real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you is fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, you said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. Then I knelt on the ground